to some mathematics. In this video, we are to factorize completely 2a to the power 8 minus 2b to the power 8. Let's see how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, now I want you to remember this difference of two squares. X squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y, x minus y. This is what we are going to use to factorize this. Okay, then our 2a to the power 8 minus 2b to the power 8 becomes, first we bring 2 out, leaving a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8. This is the same as 2 times a to the power 8. We can write it as a raised to the power 4 or raised to the power 2 minus b raised to the power 4 or raised to the power 2 times, so using difference of two squares, we are going to have a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 times a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. So you close the bracket. Then we continue to use difference of two squares to factorize this. So we have 2 bracket open a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 times, this one we can write it as a squared all raised to the power 2 minus b squared all raised to the power 2, the bracket. So 2 times a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. Then using difference of two squares, we are going to have a squared plus b squared times a squared minus b squared. So once again we continue to factorize this one using difference of two squares. That will be 2 times a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 times a squared plus b squared. And because this is difference of two squares, we can write it as a all squared minus b all squared. So we have 2 times a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4, a squared plus b squared. Then using difference of two squares, we have a plus b times a minus b. Yes. So this is a complete factorization with the above question. Thank you very much, viewers, for staying throughout with me. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Don't forget to like the video and share. Bye.